Napansin mo bang lagi ka nag-crave ng junk food kapag stress ka sa deadlines? Imagine mo na lang, nagtatransform ang katawan mo habang kinakain mo pa rin ang favorite foods mo kahit during stressful weeks. Wala nang guilt, wala nang shame spirals after stress eating. Nakikita mo na consistent ang progress mo sa katawan mo habang na-maintain mo ang sanity mo through works ups and downs. Kilala kita, kapag may deadline, automatic ang delivery app. After a stressful meeting, reward mo agad ay pagkain. One stressful day, sabotage lahat ng progress mo that week. And laging advice sa'yo, mag-meal prep ka lang. Avoid temptation. Practice self-control as if madaling kontrolin ang stress eating habits during your most challenging days. But what if you could lose weight without fighting against your stress eating tendencies? The Busybody Blueprint works with your stress, not against it. Strategic buffer meals built into your week. Eat your favorite foods during stressful days. No cardio required, just 2 to 3 times weekly workouts that won't add to your stress. We have helped 842 chronic stress eaters transform in just 1 year. In this paid training na ibibigay ko sa iyo ng free, I'll show you exactly how to build stress eating into your transformation plan. This is the same system na binabayaran sa akin ng clients ng 42,000 pesos. Pero ngayon, ibibigay ko sa iyo ng libre kasi nagbe-build pa lang ako ng personal brand at gusto ko muna magbigay ng value. So click the link, watch the free training, and discover how to finally lose weight without fighting your stress eating tendencies.